Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find Amazon account number. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to look for your Amazon account number, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, the thing with Amazon account numbers, it's only available on certain accounts. Now, if you're not aware yet, we have what we call Amazon.com accounts, which are going to be customer accounts. But we also have what we call AWS, or in this case, Amazon Web Services, an account that you could actually get, or a website you could access where you do have an ID. Now, if you have a customer account in here, well, unfortunately, there is no account number that you could use. So usually Amazon or customer accounts, the ID that you just need to provide or you need to use is going to be the email address that is connected, or in this case, what you're using right now, the email address you're using for your Amazon account. That's going to be your ID. Now, for Amazon or AWS accounts, well, this one is for like building resources or different services. So if you want to build your business or build a provider service in some way, well, in this case, you have your ID. Now, to get your ID, what you need to do is you want to go to the top right of your screen and you should see this drop down here. Now, it should be next to the location area. So if you click on the drop down, so that's the gray drop down here, you should be able to see your account ID, account name, and your account color. Now, you could just copy your account ID and share this in whatever way or use it in whatever way. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.